How to change background color on Instagram stories. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Instagram on a device. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom menu. Now simply select the story. Then tap on create. Now at the bottom right corner, you will find a circle with the color. Simply tap and hold on it. Now swipe your finger to change the color. Now release the finger once you're done. Then tap on the sticker icon to add the photos. Then tap on photo. Now select the photo and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.